everybody, welcome to Frannie's Hair. Today I'm going to be reviewing for you this new wig by Jon Renau called Harper in the color 832. Okay, so before we get started, make sure you head on over to frannieshair.com, check out all our great deals, and this wig will be there as well. Also, we have a private Facebook group, Frannie's Hair. We're almost at 3,000 members. We do have exclusive offers to our Facebook family, so come join us, and we're going to have something special when we hit 3,000 members. Come over there, join us. We have people posting pictures of themselves in all different wigs, so you get to see wigs on real people. We have our group experts over there that are ready and willing to help you with any questions you have, and it's just a really great supportive community, just a great bunch of people. I'm so happy to be part of that group, so come join us. All right, so let's get started talking about this wig. It's a new wig by Jon Renau. It's called Harper, and it's in the color 832. I'm going to start out by showing you the unboxing of this wig. Okay, so let's take a look right out of the box. This is Harper in the color 832. This way you get to see exactly how she comes and what I do with her. Alright, so if you open the box here, she has the hairnet on and the tag. We'll look at the cap now before I put her on so you can see the factory part there. Okay, so her color is 8/32. 8 is a medium brown, 32 is a red, so it's a blend, and I think you'll see the red even better when I take her outside. Really pretty color. Let's take a look at the cap. She's not heat friendly, just so you know. There are pros and cons. I like both heat friendly and non-heat friendly. Non-heat friendly wigs are typically easier to care for. You don't have to apply heat to keep them looking nice, and they're real workhorse wigs, so I do like that about them. They can be shinier, so you may want to use a dry shampoo or soak them, and they do lose their shine over time with wear. Alright, so here you go. You have the lace front. It's temple to temple. A monofilament top, so it can be parted anywhere. Open wefting, extended nape, and it's a felty type nape with Velcro adjusters, and the ear tabs are also the felt ear tabs with the metal stays in them, and there's no metal stay in the nape area. Alright, so I'm going to take the tag off and put her on. Okay, so I'm going to just put her on right out of the box so you can see I haven't done anything to her. I'll shake her a little bit, just get the fibers off the cap. And I do like to spritz with a little bit of water. If you get the misting bottles, we just got these in. It's so much easier, doesn't get soaked. It's just a nice misting. Okay. Let's put her on. Okay, right off the bat, I haven't adjusted her, and I think I could make her tighter. My measurements, I always forget to say this, my measurements, I have a 21.5-inch circumference. From forehead to chin, I'm 8.5 inches. From ear to ear, 11.5 inches, and from forehead to nape, I'm 12.5 inches. So that'll just give you an idea. Let me make sure my ear tabs are in the right spot, and you can see she still has that factory part. I like to use a brush to take the factory part out. I just feel like it works better getting in there. Be careful, you don't want to tear the fibers, but I do like to use a brush, and it's nearly impossible for me to see what's happening here, so I'm going to have to go look in a mirror in a second. Now I'm just going to comb through her. Really pretty fibers. Really nice. And this will have so many styling possibilities. The length and the fact that it has a longer front here. So if I want to pull it back, I can. Alright, I'm going to check her out in the mirror and I'll be right back. Okay, such a pretty style. I'm just going to spritz her again with a little bit of water. I might be spritzing the camera too. Does it look like it's raining? All right, let's take a look at the lace, the front lace line, so you can see how that looks there. I think it looks nice. And then we have the monofilament top, which means that we can part this anywhere. Hopefully you can see that. I don't know if you can see that there. Hopefully you can. And I'm making a mess, as usual. All right, so let's read about the style. Introducing Harper, the quintessence of sophistication in the world of trendy wigs. This smart lace synthetic bob offers a shoulder-length silhouette that exudes timeless elegance with a modern flair. Featuring a smart lace front, and a monofilament top with multi-directional parting, Harper ensures a natural front hairline and styling versatility. The addition of side swept bangs adds a touch of allure, framing the face beautifully. Harper's layers provide amazing movement and styling flexibility, allowing you to switch up your look for any occasion. Whether you prefer sleek and polished or tousled and carefree, Harper adapts to your every whim with ease. Step into sophistication and embrace endless styling possibilities with Harper, the ultimate choice for those seeking a chic wig that never compromises on style. And I really do love the way this has the little flip at the end, and you'll see some layers in here as well. So while we're talking about that, let's look at the measurements. Okay, it says the crown is 13.75, the sides 10.25, the nape, get around here, 6.5, the bang 7.25. There must be a shorter piece because I'm 8.5 here to here. I guess that's the shorter piece. Let me look. I mean, it's shorter than my face, I think. You know, sometimes I'm baffled by the measurements, but I'll just show you. It's a little shorter than my face there. Maybe that's the 7.25, or maybe I'm missing the piece, the layer. And then she weighs 4.8 ounces. She feels light. Yeah, she feels lower density, definitely. I don't feel any permatease. I feel like I may have a little bit of extra room in the cap right here, and I think that's what I'm feeling. Now, I haven't adjusted her, so at 21.5 inches, she's definitely going to go to an average and probably a little bit larger than an average circumference. All right, let me spin for you. I really do like this style. So pretty. Just throw this on and go if you want, or style it up, which I'm going to try to do for you. All right, let me try the glasses on with her. And before we try the glasses, let's look at the ear tabs. I always like to show you that there. So the ear tabs are coming right down to the top of my ear. Anything out front here is mine. So you can see that. And some people ask me what I do when my hair does show like that. A lot of times what I'll do is I'll use a root powder just to match my hair to the wig. But if I'm going to wear it down like this, a lot of times I don't even do that. I just wear it down. All right, glasses. Under the ear tabs, no issue. Over the ear tabs, no issue. Okay, let's take this color outside and take a look at it. Wow, I love this color. I'm going to turn. You can see my husband was so good. He set up our deck. I'm so excited to be able to sit out here again. Yeah, really pretty color. I want to make sure that you can see that red in there. so I hope you enjoyed that review. If you have any questions at all, put them in the comments below. Also, you can head over to frannieshair.com. We have a contact form there. You can fill that out, and we will get back to you as quickly as we can. And of course, Frannie's Hair, the private Facebook group. Come join us. Come take advantage of the exclusive deals that we have over there and the amount of expertise, which is really wonderful. All right, as always, thank you so much for joining me. I truly appreciate it. Remember to make it your own, and I'll see you soon.